he see in me that he chose me to be with him? He forgot about the rest. His character was formed in my flesh. He promised he would come back for me. I cling to his word. The love that he expressed to me through his word, I see myself in him. I will wait on the Lord. I'm prepared, my redemption draweth nigh. I will wait on the Lord, for I'm his chosen, his virtuous bride. What did he see in me? When he looks at me, he sees himself. He manifests in me. I'm representing him. I'm on display. He promised he would come back for me. I cling to his word. The love that he expressed to me through his word, I see myself in him. Oh, I will wait on the Lord. I'm prepared, my redemption draweth nigh. I will wait on the Lord, for I'm his chosen,